What is happening, my Paris? What is happening? You see what is happening? We're eating a little Jamaican Sunday dinner, and I'm inviting you all to come along with us. Okay? Camera girl? It's not a mukbang. Okay, please, it's not a mukbang. It's just that we're having our Jamaican Sunday dinner. I just want to invite you to come along with us. Okay, camera girl? Want to say hi to the Paris?
Hi.
So, I don't know me, love me, man, I mean, with me already, you know. So, you know, we're a family of 4. Son is on his own, but son lives just right next door. Not in the same area, but another house. But I cook him one Sunday dinner, I doing things. So, maybe sometimes you might see us when we go over son to go have dinner if you come along. But for now, most of the times when we eat it, we just see me and camera girl. I don't know the voice thing already. The voice look like it outfit change, but no way. So, me and camera girl, that is not camera friendly as it seems. I don't know when, but we're working on it, okay? So, we go have a little grace. We have a start. We might not eat all it, you see. We just want to take you along. We don't want to invite you to see if we can gig any of your little memories of your little long time Sunday evening Jamaican dinner. No? Come on, camera girl, let us have a grace.
God is good. God is great. Let us thank Him for our food. Amen.
Amen. Seriously, camera girl? Seriously? Comment you all. Comment if you like camera girl prayer, okay? So what we're having brown stew chicken, rice and peas. I have some cooked pumpkin, I have lettuce, and I have some slices of cucumber around here. Camera girl is having the same thing, and she's having water. I'm having some sorrel. So from our little Jamaican dining room to your dining room, wherever you are. So remember, you know what happened? As me told me do me so craving. The vlog before this one here, I couldn't remember. When I read up in the knife and fork, you know, so if I have to take me and take a piece of food, pardon us, because Jamaican something, but we're not fancy up now. But we will show you one. We can fancy up and eat with the knife and fork, and we have a table manners. But now, a regular. I'm not supposed to slope over the table like this. We know that. So the vlog before this, I could not remember the proverb of the day. And you know what it really was? He now, Tori come to bum. He now, Tori come to bum. Tori really come to bum, yes, okay? We actually, me and camera girl, for the first time I couldn't sit on YouTube. So, my company, nobody judge me because I know me already. I'm very happy to tell people that I'm proud of them. But you have to say to them.
Anything specific?
Talk to them, you know. They must say something to your parents. You show them what you get?
What you guys eating for your dinner?
They ask them. But ask them the stuff, coming on stuff. Comment. What you guys having? I put some pepper. I'm going to put in pepper because camera girl and that can't eat pepper.
I don't really have
I remember, you know, tell them it's not a mukbang. Tell them it's a church safe. Church is the top responsible to eat.
You eat and then you eat first and then you talk. You talk while you eat.
No man, me and them eat and talk together. Jamaican sitting this, that's how we chat and
Anyways, I don't really have much of a problem with so much of the pepper, but it's certain type of pepper that I can't really consume. Like that over there, so no, I can't really consume too much of that pepper. Or like if you put too much scotch bonnet in there, I can't consume a lot of that. But if it's like a little bit of pepper or something that makes it look really spicy, then I can handle it.
Come again, I want nice already.
No, I didn't feel funny no.
Oh. But water is more healthy and that's all?
Yeah.
You eat a pumpkin?
No.
And when we cook a pumpkin like this with the skin on, wash it properly and we cook it and you eat the back. Good fiber.
You eat the back, I don't eat it.
You're okay. But I take a couple more rice. And the rice are done. And look here. We must always try to eat and then we drink. We have a bad way. Me and I love it too. Eat and when you're done eat, you drink. That's what they say.
As in when you finish
That is more healthier.
As in when you finish eat off everything. As in when you finish eat off everything.
Then you drink. It's not healthy.
But what if you're choking on the food, babe?
I guess.
So if you choke on the food, you have yes.
When you're choking, eating, and when I'm not drinking and choking, you have gas.
Well, I'm not going to be following that. I am not going to be following that. When I eat, I drink.
Okay. So no party. Today is Sunday. What day tomorrow?
The 17th. Yes.
Yeah. We have 1 week
17th.
to go before Christmas. Be crazy out the road. Please be careful on the roads, y'all. Be careful. It's crazy on the roads out here. I mean, no way on the day. Worse. And remember, January around the corner. But I put on the 7 and I will buy it. Okay? Things are a bit sticky financially. I mean, on a Jamaica alone. And if it's not Jamaica alone, comment. It's sticky, it's getting real sticky. And I know say somehow no. You know, maybe I'll watch and just losing a job. And if you not even lose it, the company or your workplace is in a state like this, you're not sure if you're going back after Christmas. But you know what? Hold the faith and continue to be strong. Don't give up on anything because I know when you don't have no very good job to go after Christmas, you know, that's not nice. So if any of you all out there watching this welcome Sunday dinner, eating, like a mukbang as I say, I must remind you, if you're not sure what is going to happen in January, pray. Prayer beats every single thing. And remember, there's somebody in control who specializes in things that seem impossible. And if you have your little job, sometimes it's the boss lady, sorry, boss man, and I'm not so nice and I think about to quit. Think about getting something before you quit, okay? Now, it's small, it's always better than nothing. Yeah. Think first before you do anything stupid, okay? So, camera girl, you not saying to them? Ask them what you must say. You need to talk to them. They're watching us, you know. You're shy, you're not shy, okay? No, sir. So that was family member them. like school out.
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah. Yeah.
yeah. Too much stress on the road, too much hustle and bustle. Well, okay. Yeah, me a buy this. You don't know me now. You don't know me. And guess what? I take a piece of the chicken and I'm not find that chicken curry. Which part of the chicken you all like? Comment. I love breast and wing. I don't like thigh and leg. Comment and tell me. And if you like, oh, I'm a little sad. What you having for dinner? What are you all having? Comment. And while we are eating, Tamara, you want to say thanks? We're going to say thanks to them for the support that we have been getting on the Jamaican dividends here. You go first.
Okay. We would like to thank you very much for all your support that you have given us so far throughout us starting and where we are now. We
About 81 subscribers.
81. That's good. That's good.
Thank you.
We're almost at 100. That's good. So throughout the time period since we have started up to now, it's been a huge amount of support on both channels, this one and the main channel, and we thank you guys so much, because if it wasn't for you, then we wouldn't be able to we wouldn't be able to
have a channel.
Yeah.
On YouTube. Okay, y'all? And if y'all like what we're doing, please send us some comments. We are gonna link our Instagram. I have an account on Facebook, but honestly, sorry, I'm not a Facebook person per se. So I'm on Instagram, trying to get a Twitter account up. I prefer Twitter. So I'm on Instagram, and I'm gonna link for you. I've been doing it. My Instagram account as well. You can follow me on Instagram, and I'm gonna leave for your WhatsApp number in the description. You can message me, and I do catering. If you're up top and you come down and you like what I'm doing on the main channel, and you want somebody to cater for you, whatever the event, be a wake, baby shower, we never normally want wake, but they do come, night and something, and somebody has to do the job, whatever. Pardon me, y'all. Link me, man, link me. You can make them out of the food, you know, too. But sit down and take further. That is how she eats still, you know, she's that type of person. Kind of put on this so she's still. She just this little, you know, some prim and proper little child, that's how she's still. Oh. Remember, you must cook your pumpkin and heat it with the skin on. Wash it properly before. So, I feel my food almost done. And this is from over on the main channel. Cure now is good. No ice. Pardon. When you drink it this way, you get the best. So, we just invited you. This is the first time we have done this. So if you have liked it and you want us to bring you more often in on our eating, more sophisticated, we set with table and stuff, buffet style, prim and proper eating, comment. We can do that. So I hope you all like it, and I hope you had a decent Sunday evening dinner wherever you are. I hope you did cook some Jamaican rice and peas, you know. But if you never do it, hush. So we are about to end this little eating video, little session. Remember, it's not a mukbang. And if you want us to do mukbang, we can. We can do mukbang with our family members. We can do junior mukbangs. We can do baby mukbang. Yo, our mukbang thing, they will turn up. If you're interested to see us do Jamaican mukbangs with real authentic Jamaican food, please to comment below. So right now, this is me when I'm almost done and me, I go stop up them bone here. So, we want to thank you for coming into our dining room with us, Jamaican dining room, and eating the Sunday dinner. Okay, you all? And remember the Jamaican proverb of the prior vlog, and it goes for this one too. Ihinam, Dory come to bom. So when we see you again, I'll explain it. Ihinam, Dory come to bom. Yeah, Debbie and Camera Girl, eat them Sunday dinner on YouTube. Okay, y'all? So, once more, we invite you, if you have liked it, to continue to like and subscribe. Remember to do that. When you have subscribed, remember to click that little bell up there, so you'll be notified each time we drop a video. And continue to share the videos and leave your comments below. Love you all.